Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you best for niches format by Amazon. The first news that I have guys, it is resist bangness protest, and this is flipper up stand with bangness guys. As you can see here, this is the good BSR niche with 466 BSR added for upper 5, as you can see here. This is the t-shirt funny idea on Island Island t-shirt, and guys, as you can see here, this looks like making with AI design. You can make similar of this design and just change these vectors guys, and you can make this design and combine with this one. The second is that I have, it is flipper up I stand with the same guys design, as you can see here, with a very low BSR. And the third niche guys that I have, it is it is this day, this teacher student, this for teachers guys and students. The price is high price with very low BSR, as you can see here. It is I did just for April 2025. This guys, you can make the design just like this, and or you can make different colors on this niche and you can start making design. The last niche guys, or before the last niche, I have this coach mobile milk truck. This is very low BSR. This is a code design guy. You can make this design on black t-shirts version, and you can make sales. This is high prices. Last niche guys, it is purple up military kits, and this is for kids and child month. As you can see here guys, this is very low BSR. You can make a design for this for kids, and you can target audience targets demographic kids, and you can make a design similar like this, and you can change the font or something like this. I hope guys this niche help you for you. Then don't forget to give a like and share this video for more content.